Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn colorful vehicles. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, can you name some red vehicles today?
Fire engine. Sports car. Race car. Fire truck. Tractor.
Amazing! Now, can you tell me blue vehicles?
Police car. School bus. Van. Boat. Helicopter.
Amazing! Now, can you guess the yellow vehicles?
Taxi. Dump truck. School bus. Bulldozer. Crane.
Very good! Now, can you guess green vehicles?
Tractor. Recycling truck. Military jeep. Electric car. Scooter.
Very good! Now, let us guess orange vehicles.
Construction truck. Tow truck. Road roller. Delivery van. Scooter.
Very good! Now, let us guess white vehicles.
Ambulance. Delivery van. Snowmobile. Yacht. Space shuttle.
Amazing. Now we will learn black vehicles.
Limousine. Motorcycle.
Amazing. We have learned all different vehicles according to colors today in a fun and new way. Did you love to learn with us?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, thanks for learning with us. See you soon.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.